That's not entertaining. Is it? It's weird.
Donkey likes it.
Everyone just watching?
Yeah.
You got something interesting to say?
What?
You have something interesting?
I'm on the net?
Yeah. This is going viral.
Oh, this is going viral. Okay.
You're on porn play.
Say something. Okay.
You're on X-Share.
Flip it out. Yeah.
There's no conspiracies. It's a conspiracy. Singular. It's all connected. It's all connected.
What a creepy guy. Ryan is a weird man.
I am weird.
Nice hair, dude. It looks good.
Fuck that. That part, man?
Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Right? Face rape.
Right.
A little weird. That was 100% way weird.
Like that around here?
Oh, yeah, I'm just going to let my mom see that something.
That was a faster face, right?
Let my mom see that.
That was your face. Sorry, I'll aim better next time.
It has to go all the way in because the other guitar has to go on top of it.
I'll never get old fashioned ace.
We still have the bass and your stupid seat.
I'll never get old ass face.
Rodney, anything for you?
Rodney loves that straight.
Anything for you?
Oh, man.
I'm not very...
Change the man a few words, right?
Anything for you?
Poop dribble? Yeah, that's
Load this on the roof.
Butt beef.
Alright, butt beef.
Food jello.
One more.
Butt beef. Food jello.
He said those two.
That's all I know.
Baskin Robbins has an exclusive on their rainbow sherbet, so you pay extra for it.
Really?
Pickle fudge.
Is that true?
Butt shot.
Could be.
Excuse me.
Pickle fudge.
You know, you haven't fun.
How'd you get so white?
Smokey licked that.
Oh!
I'm always white. This is just a suntan. Because I work.
How come you look Jamaican? For a white
I'm
guy.
Jamaican. If I wasn't Jamaican, then why would I wear this hat?
What hat? Girl Scout cookie thin mints are laced with a special additive, so you want more each year, and they keep raising the prices. Remember that.
You gotta spring to life, baby. Spring to life.
That was a good raindrop.